Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm gonna go ahead and be doing a Christmas press on nail set. So this is pretty much what I do. I always pretty much just brainstorm my ideas, and so this is what I pretty much have planned. I do have like a rough sketch here. It's not really a sketch, but like something like this. These were the ideas that I had. I just chose the ones that I felt best, then I just kind of did my own thing there. But yeah, this is basically what we would be doing here. It's mainly gonna be just a red and white set. So I already have my press on nail set. I did have another one here. This one is the one that I mainly actually used. I did not really like it, and I do not like this one either. I recommend a different one, so we'll be buying another one. So yeah, these are some extra long press ons. But instead of today, I'll be using just regular size. So once we have all our nails there, I'm basically going ahead and grab this buffer. I mainly use this just for my press-ons. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the 180 side, which is the softer side. And I'm just going to use that to remove the shine from the nail. And I'd rather use this side rather than using these hard buffers as well as these. I do not recommend these either because some of that white stuff does stay on there and it's kind of hard to get it off. And so that ends up interfering with the base coat, and then we end up having like little tiny dots. I don't know if that makes sense, but it has happened to me before, so I don't recommend those. Just have one of these, it does the trick. And so yeah, that's all basically we're doing, removing the shine. Okay, so I went ahead and buffed all of the nails. So now what we're basically going to do is grab your nail dust brush and just remove any of that dust, because you don't want that to interfere with their base coat or gel polish. Now I'm going to grab some alcohol just to cleanse the nails. I'm just going to spray that. And using a lint-free wipe, we're going to use that to just wipe that away. Okay, so once I finish removing all of that nail dust from our nail tips, we're going to go ahead and grab our base coat, and we're simply going to go ahead and place this a very thin coat on the nail, and then we're going to cure for 30 seconds. Once I basically finish applying my base coat, I'm going to go ahead and set these for the side for at least 30 seconds. So it can evenly spread throughout the nail. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. And then we're ready to start designing our nails. The nails have now felt fully cured, so we're ready to apply our colors. And I will be showing you guys next PR package from Jelly Nails. are really pretty. And I will be using this white foil, so just wanted to show you guys that. And so we're gonna start here. I will be talking more about my little plan here. So the first one is gonna be red, just a plain solid color. This one I put a star in it just because I'm not too sure about how, I'm not too sure if I actually want to do this or not. But these are for sure. Just this is the only one that I do not know what to do, so I'm gonna leave that one at the end. So these on top of here I have the main colors. The third one, it's gonna be white, fourth red, and the fifth white. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep my notebook right here. And so usually I apply 2 coats to every nail depending on the pigment though that the gel polish has. So here we first have our first red one. Now the other one that's going to be red is going to be the middle one. So I mean the ring finger, I believe. So now I'm going to go ahead and just apply some of this. I have the 2 reds done. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue on with the white, and these 2 right here are going to be the white ones. So once we applied our first coat, we are free to pretty much just let it sit on the side for a while, and then we're ready to go ahead and cure. Go ahead and just continue and add our second coat to all of the nails. Okay, so here are the nails. They have been finished. So I'm gonna go just take these off one by one. Since they're fresh out the lamp, I try my best to not touch the top coat, especially if it's warm. I don't end up doling. Trying my best not to touch it, but as you can see, I'm only working with one hand at the moment. Okay, I don't think it'll get told by now. It's been a little over a while. I think I'm just gonna leave him like that. I'm not gonna put him on my hand because I'll probably struggle to take him off. But yeah, this is how the nails looks at the moment. Let me zoom in for you guys a bit. But yeah, overall, let me know what you guys think about this set and if you guys enjoyed it. Also, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Hopefully, I can think about something to do for tomorrow's video. If I cannot, it would be really appreciated if you guys can just leave me suggestions down below. I have maybe an idea in mind right at the moment. It just came to me, someone occurred to me like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.